This video will walk you through the steps of creating your own game mode and provide an overview of the various ways that you can customize it. One advantage of the shooter template is that you can create game modes for testing directly in-game in the play and editor mode without having to create any blueprints yourself. First, let's head over to the player controller blueprint for the menu screen. In order to create game modes directly within the play window, you'll want to ensure that either the player can create GM boolean or the dev mode boolean is set to true. Either or both is fine. Just make sure that the dev mode boolean is switched off before publishing your game. Now ensure that you have the level underscore menu map open, which is open by default, and play the game in the editor. Here we can navigate to either multiplayer or single player, where we can create and remove game modes. Game modes will be shared across single and multiplayer, so you only need to create them in one location. Let's go through creating a new game mode briefly. Each tab contains options to set up your game mode. I'll quickly create a simple example game mode for a team-based 3v3 deathmatch. Note that while you're making changes to your game mode, they'll be automatically saved asynchronously to a save file on your PC, so that when you quit and then play again in the editor, your custom game modes will still be there. You can now create a variety of game modes and test them, edit them, and play them however you want inside the editor. Once you're happy with the game mode that you've created and you're ready to package and distribute your game, you can create a permanent version of that game mode that will be packaged with the final game instead of being stored locally on your PC for playtesting. To do this, we'll head over to the Tables folder and open the Game Mode Table data table. Here you will see the default game modes that are included with the project. You can remove or permanently edit them here. To add our new custom game mode, we'll click Add and then fill out the parameters with matching values from the game mode that you set up inside the game earlier. Once you're finished adding your data row, you'll notice that your new game mode is always visible inside the game and can now be packaged for publishing. Make sure you delete the old game mode that you used to test to avoid having a duplicate inside your editor. This should give you a pretty good idea of how you can start to set up your own creative game modes inside your project, quickly and effectively. If you have any questions, make sure to post in our Discord. We provide extensive documentation and video tutorials on our website. You can purchase the FPS template by clicking the link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next time.